Hi there. Long vowel or and short vowel a. Or, for, core. Your war stories are boring. He was thought to the store. Pour 4 more quarts. Morning court report was short. Draw water from the faucet. The water is always calm in August. I thought Audrey saw a lawyer. You ought to have brought your daughter. And short vowel a. Hat, top, stop, probably, follow, not, black, sack, map, product, serve, problem. Bob opened the box and followed the instructions. Tom put some cotton rugs and doorknobs in his locker. My mom made a concrete model of a hockey rink. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.